This is next particular. So here 1% is the yes basically. Like this also basically things are connected basically. So here 1% over. Yes, basically like this also things are basically connected. So here 1% asks the question basically, which computer basically might be having this process data basically. So he told that basically, who is the army of basically army head of India basically. Then 1% is this person basically. Then he asked the question basically, who is the army of Asian country basically. Because there are basically army of Asian country continental also. Who is the army of entire army basically. There are a few army group basically who are connected with Russia also and Ukraine also and handling both countries. So 1% told that basically is very difficult here to tell because this type of thing basically is not displayed in front of the world basically. So here we take one example basically. USA basically have one army group who is connected with India basically. Always connected with India. Whatever incidents basically happens of America basically, he basically connects with India basically. If incidents is basically happening in India, which is connecting to USA, they connect with America basically. Like this India and US relationship with are handled. Same way Europe and America basically. Because previous basically Europe and America basically was one basically. Both were one country basically, not different country basically. So like this also things basically are there. Same way basically the one person told that who is the army head of Europe, America and Asia basically. They are the basically the authorized person basically to keep the data of keep the software data basically of this all thing basically. This all data basically are processed basically in that computer basically, which is the owner or is that army person basically who is handling this all countries basically. So next is